HEYGEN AI represents a significant advancement in video production technology, offering content creators a powerful tool to streamline the creation of high-quality video content. By utilizing sophisticated artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, HEYGEN AI enables users to generate realistic human avatars that can speak and act in videos. This innovative tool is not only a time saver, but also enhances the creative possibilities for video production, making it a valuable asset for both amateur and professional content creators. Features of HEYGEN AI. HEYGEN AI stands out due to its rich array of features designed to cater to a diverse range of video creation needs. Here are some of its most notable features. AI avatars. One of the core features of HEYGEN AI is its extensive library of over 100 human avatars. These avatars are designed to look, speak, and move like real humans, adding a high degree of realism to any video project. Voice customization. HEYGEN AI allows users to customize the voices of their avatars. This includes selecting from a variety of preset voices and adjusting parameters such as tone, pitch, and speed to fit the specific needs of the video. Video translation. To cater to a global audience, HEYGEN AI offers video translation capabilities. This feature allows users to create multilingual content with ease, broadening their reach and accessibility. Photo avatars. In addition to dynamic video avatars, HEYGEN AI also supports the creation of photo avatars. These can be seamlessly integrated into videos, offering additional versatility and creative options. Script writing and integration. Users can write and input their scripts directly into the HEYGEN AI platform. The AI avatars will then read and perform these scripts, making the creation of instructional, tutorial, or narrative videos straightforward and efficient. How to use HEYGEN AI. HEYGEN AI's user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to use HEYGEN AI to create engaging video content. Step 1. Access the HEYGEN AI website. Start by navigating to the HEYGEN AI website. Click on the Get Started for Free button to explore the platform without any initial cost. You will need to sign in using your Google account to proceed. Step 2. Choose your avatar. After logging in, you will arrive at the home base. Here, select the Instant Avatar option to create your digital twin in minutes. You can either upload a pre-recorded video or use your webcam to record a new one. Step 3. Follow the best practices for recording. For the best results, HEYGEN AI recommends using a high-resolution camera, such as the back camera of an iPhone. Record against a clean background with adequate lighting on your face. Ensure there are clear pauses between each speech segment to achieve the highest quality output. Step 4. Upload your video. Once you have recorded your video, upload it to the HEYGEN AI platform. The system will process your video and generate your AI clone avatar, which may take a few minutes depending on the video's length and complexity. Step 5. Customize your avatar. With your avatar generated, proceed to the Studio Edit section. Here you can write and input your script. Customize the avatar's voice by selecting from various voices and adjusting their characteristics to match your video's requirements. Step 6. Create and input your script. You can write your script directly in the HEYGEN AI platform or copy it from an external document. Paste your script into the designated area and review it to ensure accuracy and coherence. Step 7. Generate the video. Once the script and avatar settings are finalized, you can generate your video. HEYGEN AI will process the input and create a video featuring your customized AI avatar performing the script. This process might take some time, so patience is essential. Step 8. Review and edit. After the video is generated, thoroughly review it to ensure everything looks and sounds as intended. If necessary, make any edits or adjustments before finalizing the video. Step 9. Export and share. When you are satisfied with the final product, export the video. HEYGEN AI provides various export options to suit different needs. You can then share the video on your preferred platforms, such as YouTube, Facebook, or your website. Detailed use case examples. Example 1. Creating tutorial videos. Suppose you are a content creator focusing on educational tutorials. HEYGEN AI can help streamline your video production process. Begin by writing a detailed script explaining the tutorial steps. Record yourself or use an existing video to create an AI avatar. Customize the avatar's appearance and voice to match the educational tone. Once the video is generated, add subtitles for clarity and share it on your educational platform. This process saves time and ensures a consistent presentation. Example 2. Marketing and advertisements. For marketers, HEYGEN AI offers a unique way to create engaging advertisements. Develop a script that highlights the key features of your product or service. Use HEYGEN AI to create a realistic avatar that can present your product in a professional manner. Customize the voice to be persuasive and engaging. Generate the video, add necessary branding elements, and export it. This approach can create high-quality marketing videos quickly, allowing for more frequent updates and campaigns. Example 3. Social media influencing. As a social media influencer, maintaining a constant stream of content is crucial. HEYGEN AI can help you keep up with the demand. Create avatars that represent different aspects of your persona. Develop scripts for daily updates, product reviews, or interactive sessions. Customize each video to keep your content fresh and engaging. This method allows you to produce consistent and high-quality content without being physically present for each recording session. Meet HEYGEN on Canva. You can generate engaging talking videos for your designs in minutes. All you need to do is log into Canva and click on the app to create with HEYGEN. First, choose an AI avatar that suits your company style. Next, craft a script that tells your brand story. Then, pick a voice that brings your story to life. Finally, add the videos into your Canva designs. The magic here is that your video can be anything. Ethical considerations. While HEYGEN AI offers powerful tools for content creation, it is crucial to use this technology responsibly. Here are some ethical considerations to keep in mind. Transparency. Always disclose the use of AI avatars in your videos. This maintains trust with your audience and ensures transparency. Avoiding deception. Do not use AI avatars to create misleading or deceptive content. Ensure that the content created with HEYGEN AI is truthful and accurate. Respect for privacy. Avoid using AI avatars to impersonate real individuals without their consent. This respects privacy and prevents potential legal issues. Prohibition of harmful uses. Do not use HEYGEN AI for illegal activities, including creating content that promotes violence, hate speech, or other harmful behaviors. Ethical content creation. Use HEYGEN AI to enhance creativity and productivity in a positive manner. Focus on creating content that adds value to your audience and contributes positively to your field. Future prospects of HEYGEN AI. HEYGEN AI is at the forefront of a technological revolution in video production. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced features and capabilities from HEYGEN AI. Future updates might include enhanced voice modulation options, more realistic avatar movements, and improved video editing tools. These advancements will further simplify the video creation process and expand the creative possibilities for users. Conclusion. HEYGEN AI is a groundbreaking tool that simplifies the video creation process while offering high levels of customization and realism. By following the steps outlined in this guide, users can easily create professional quality videos featuring AI human avatars. The platform's user-friendly interface, combined with its powerful features, makes it accessible to both novice and experienced content creators. However, it is essential to use this technology responsibly, maintaining ethical standards and transparency in all content created. HEYGEN AI not only saves time and resources, but also opens up new creative possibilities, making it an invaluable asset in the digital age of content creation. Stay tuned as AI continues to evolve and redefine the future of video content. Explore more at my YouTube channel. See you soon.